In today's video, I am going to teach you how to move folders in Zoho Workdrive. Moving folders is a simple skill, but it makes a big difference when you are keeping a team drive organized, cleaning up an old project space, or restructuring your file system. When you move a folder, everything inside it moves with it, including any subfolders and files. So before you confirm the move, it is a good idea to pause and make sure you are selecting the correct folder and the correct destination. Start by locating the folder you want to move in Zoho Workdrive. Once you see it in your list or grid view, select that folder. Take a second to verify the folder name, especially if you have similar names like Final or Final2, because it is easy to choose the wrong one when you are working quickly. Next, open the folder options. You can do this in one of two ways. You can click the three-dot menu, which is the More Options icon next to the folder. Or if you prefer, you can right-click directly on the folder. Either method opens the same set of actions, so use whatever feels most comfortable for your workflow. From that menu, select Move To. This tells Workdrive that you want to keep the folder intact, but place it somewhere else in your drive. A pop-up window will appear, showing you a list or tree of available locations. Now you will choose the destination folder where you want your selected folder to go. Move carefully through the folder structure in the pop-up. If you need to, expand folders to see subfolders, and make sure you are placing it in the correct spot. This is also a good moment to confirm you are not moving it into a restricted area where you might not have access later. When you are confident the destination is correct, click Move to confirm. After you do, Zoho Workdrive will relocate the folder to the new location. Depending on your view, you may see it disappear from the current folder right away. If you want to double-check, navigate to the destination folder and confirm that the moved folder is now there with all its contents. And that covers everything you need to know.